Pagod ka na ba sa laptop mong kasing bigat ng problema mo? Yung tuwing mag-open ka lang ng browser, hihinga muna siya ng malalim? Pwes, itigil lang pagtitiis dahil nandito na ang sagot sa prayers mo. Introducing the Acer Aspirelight 15 35TM. Grabe, look at this design. Sobrang sleek, ultra thin at 1.53 kilograms lang. Kasing gaan ang breakup nyo, walang bigat. Bagay na bagay sa laging on the go. Pero, don't be fooled by the light name dahil punong-puno ito ng heavyweight features. Powered by the latest Intel Core 3 N355 processor. Hindi ito yung lumang chip ha, at may kasama pa siyang 8GB DDR5 RAM. Yes, DDR5 na para sa mabilis na multitasking. Goodbye lag talaga. Mabilis mapuno storage mo ng K-drama at school files? Don't worry, may 512GB M.2 NVMe SSD ito. Isang click mo lang, bukas agad ang files at ang display, a massive 15.6 inches Full HD IPS screen with Acer Comfy View. Sobrang linaw, walang masakit sa mata kahit mag all-nighter ka pa. Ano pa? Pre-installed na ang Windows 11 Home nito, plus may lifetime Microsoft Office ka pa. So, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng pirated, laking tipid sa students at sa mga nagwo-work from home. All these premium features sa presyong abot kaya at napaka-friendly na budget? Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Message us now or click the Shopee link below.
That's just how I feel. Yeah. Hey, dynamite, turn to a million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
Be the last one out to get the dough. No way, I wanna be bucket-headed, no way. Hit the streets and we break the code. No way, hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way.
Want a game, want to stream, want to build that beast. PCS got the heat, parts stacked like a feast. RAM, GPU, and SSDs, we got the setup to fulfill your tech dreams.